This exercise is called rock star jumps. The muscle groups that we will be working: calves, quads, hamstrings, hips, glutes, and core. First thing we're going to do is we're going to build a base. Okay, widen out those feet. Don't keep them too close together. Put them in a nice little squat positioning, or just a little farther, that's fine. And as you can see, this is a non-stop exercise. So the focus here is mainly about pacing, all right, finding a comfortable pace. And what you want to do is explode those knees up as high as you can. The object is to get them to waistline. But if you can't get them to waistline, that's fine. Explode them as high as you can. All right? And when we land on the ground, we're not landing violently. All right? We're trying to land as soft as we can. We're trying to catch ourselves on the balls of our feet before those heels touch the ground. Okay? So we want to catch ourselves. The moment we have ourselves caught, explode those legs right back up. Again, this is going to be all about pacing here. Focus on breathing as well. All right, with the non-stop movement and that non-stop explosiveness, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth is going to be a crucial part in this as well. So the two main factors are going to be the breathing and focusing on a comfortable pace. After that, it's focusing on how high you can get those knees and how soft you can catch yourself at the bottom.
This is one of the many exercises you will experience in WebFitness.
That's what I'm talking about. Push yourself. I know you got one more. I see it. Come on now.
Exactly what you just heard is exactly what you're going to get. A live trainer in front of you to coach you, to motivate you, help fix your form, and help you with every step along the way. All we ask for is a laptop and good internet connection. That's it. It's as simple as that. There's no special equipment needed whatsoever. You can even hook up your laptop to your TV. That choice is yours. The main purpose you're getting is a group fitness class with people from all over the world with a live trainer. But we invented that. We invented a new way to fitness. You're going to be able to track your progress, improve your diet, and work out anywhere you want to. And work out whenever you want to. Schedule your workouts ahead of time. If you know you're going to work out at home, or if you got to go out on a business trip, we got you. Schedule the time that suits best for you at the touch of your finger. It's as simple as that. The app that we have provided you is going to do wonders. You're going to have so many options and so many things to do, you're not going to keep count of it. Quickly take a picture of your food in our app for our nutritionist to analyze what you're eating to provide you advice on your diet and meal planning. You can also ask questions on a meal or general nutrition questions. You're going to have my progress. You're going to take pictures each week of your transformation. Watch your measurements. Watch those pounds drop like there's no tomorrow. We have all of that for you. And that's all here at WebFitness.